In this video I want to help you to know some important English sentences used in daily life that beginners must know. Just follow me. General greetings and introductions. Now I will start and you follow me. Hi. How are you? Perfect, and now? Good morning. Or good afternoon. Or good evening. Perfect, and now? What's your name? Perfect, and now? My name is, your name. Perfect, and now? Nice to meet you. Now you can follow me for other sentences. How's it going? I'm fine, thank you. And you? Where are you from? I'm from the place. How old are you? I'm your age, years old. Polite expressions. Please. Thank you. Thanks a lot. You're welcome. Excuse me. I'm sorry. No problem. Could you please repeat that? May I come in? Can I help you? I appreciate it. That's very kind of you. Don't mention it. It's no trouble at all. Making small talk. It's a beautiful day, isn't it? How's the weather today? What's new? What do you do for work? What are your hobbies? How was your weekend? Did you watch the game last night? Have you seen any good movies lately? How's your family? Asking for help/information. Can you help me, please? Where is the nearest location? How do I get to place? What time is it? Do you know where I can find item? Could you please tell me the way to place? How far is it to destination? Is there a bank/hospital/store nearby? Shopping and transactions. How much does this cost? Can I get a discount? Do you accept credit cards? I'm just looking, thank you. I'll take this. Do you have this in another size or color? Can I try this on? What's your return policy? Where is the fitting room? Dining and restaurants. Can I have the menu, please? I'd like to order dish. What do you recommend? Is this dish spicy? Could I get some water, please? Check, please. Or can I have the bill, please? Do you have vegetarian options? This tastes great. Can I get this to go? Travel and transportation. Where is the bus stop/train station? How much is a ticket to destination? What time does the next bus/train leave? Could you call me a taxi, please? How long does it take to get to place? Is this the right bus or train for destination? I'd like to rent a car. Can you show me on the map? At home. What's for dinner? I'll do the dishes. Let's watch a movie. Can you help me with this? I'm going to bed. I'll clean up later. Do we have any snacks? It's your turn to cook. Health and emergencies. I don't feel well. I need to see a doctor. Where is the nearest hospital? I think I have a fever. Call an ambulance. Are you okay? I have an allergy to substance. My head hurts. I need some medicine. Work and study. I have a meeting at time. Let's schedule an appointment. Can you send me an email? What's the deadline for this project? Could you explain this to me? I'm working on task/project. Let's take a break. I'll get back to you on that. Can you help me with my homework? Technology and communication. Can you fix this for me? My phone isn't working. How do I connect to the Wi-Fi? Can you send me the link? I'll call you later. Can you hear me? The battery is dead. Where's the charger? Let's take a selfie. Social and casual. Let's hang out. Do you want to grab a coffee? Are you free this weekend? What time should we meet? It was great seeing you. Let's do this again sometime. Keep in touch. Do you use social media platform? What's your phone number? Expressions for agreement/disagreement. I agree with you. That's a great idea. You're absolutely right. I don't think so. I'm not sure about that. Let's agree to disagree. That makes sense. I see your point. Expressions of emotion. I'm so happy for you. That's amazing. I'm sorry to hear that. That's so frustrating. I'm really excited about it. I'm feeling a bit nervous. I can't believe it. Common responses. Sure. / of course. That's fine with me. I don't mind. Sounds good. Not at all. Maybe later. I'm not sure. I'll think about it.